Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. These are hose shut-off valves for my garden hoses, and I've been using a really crappy one that had a little short tiny handle on it, a lever, excuse me, had a short lever on it, and I mean it would still shut on and off, but it was hard to move that lever. So these are supposed to be a better design, and these are Mingle, and these are Arley. So I'm going to compare them. The first thing I notice, which is sort of immaterial, this is a little more gold color, and this is a little more less gold color. This one has stainless, I think it's stainless steel. It could be just regular steel nuts on it. This has brass nuts on it. And I'm looking at the stem that comes out. I think I'm going to take the nut off and compare the stems. This stem seems a little longer. Well, it is a little longer and a little better machined. The flat is machined on it. This one is shorter, and it just looks a little rougher. They both have what appears to be little tiny drops of Loctite, which is incorrectly dripped onto the top of the nut. It's supposed to go on the threads, so go figure. And let's look at the ball inside. Hold on. They both come with extra flat washers. And this one on this side is a little thicker than the other one, so I would go with these. Now let's look at the ball inside. I'm going to twist the ball so you can see the shut-off ball. So they both have a stainless. I'm assuming it's stainless steel. It's going to be in contact with water all the time. Shut-off ball, and the openings to my eyeball are about the same. That one might be a millimeter bigger. I'm not sure. I'm not actually going to show you squirting water out of them because they're both going to do sufficient amounts of water. Now, they do make shut-off valves that have a bigger hole in them. They're like maximum flow shut-off valves. I didn't really want them because I didn't want maximum flow. I'm not putting out fires. I'm just watering out in the yard. So this is the good size for me. Just to give you a little bit of information, they have some with bigger holes. Okay? And this one has kind of a weird thread. If you wanted to put like a little sprinkler end on this or something to spread out and sprinkle and spray the water, it doesn't have sharp edges, and they're flattened out. I don't know, for some reason they're flattened out. Sorry, a little out of frame. That's weird. Let's see how far this sticks out from the body, because sometimes if there's not enough threads, you can't get your attachment on there. So I'm going to measure that. So they're both at a 1/2 inch. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has one extra thread on it, but I don't think that really matters. What matters is the distance from here to here. And this one is also a 1/2 inch. So call them even on that. Oh, what the hell, it is a nice day. I'll shoot some water for you. So first up, we'll have the more golden one. Which one? Yeah, that one's the more golden one. With the flat threads. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I've got a leak there because the threads don't go out far enough for me to screw this on there, but don't worry about that. I could put another washer in there. That's not part of the test. So this is the more golden one. It shuts off very dry. All right. Now, if you have a repair like this, look what's going to happen. You have to be careful that your long lever doesn't hit those. So, just something to think about. I've repaired this. Most repairs, repairs could be different. So anyway, here we go. Shoot it into the jacuzzi. All right, let's see the spray pattern. Okay, that's the more golden one. Let me get a little water in my camera. This seems to have a little less flow. And I'm one-handing the lever. I like being able to one-hand the lever. I actually think I like the spray pattern to the other one better than this. Let's go back to the other one and look at how much it flows. I mean, it's the same distance to the middle of the spa. It just looks like the flow is less. All right, this is the golden one. I made sure everything's wide open. This is the less golden one. Yeah, this has got less flow. I guess maybe there's a little difference in the shut-off stainless steel ball. Maybe it's smaller. So the other one has more flow. And I like the pattern of the other one better. So anyway, there you go. I think I'll keep the more golden one. Although it looks, to me, the machining looks not as good, but the function of it is better. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. I think I'll water those little plants over there. Okay? Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah, I just figured out this doesn't have a flat washer in it. And that's why I was having that big leak over there. Okay? Oops. My bad.